As we welcome a brand new year, many of us are filled with enthusiasm and determination to make significant changes in our lives, and one of the most popular resolutions people make is to lose weight and get healthier. Whether it's to feel more confident, boost our energy levels, or simply to live a longer and healthier life, achieving our weight loss goals can have a profound impact on our overall well-being. When it comes to weight loss, we've all been there. We start strong, motivated, and determined. But as the days turn into weeks and the weeks turn into months, our enthusiasm starts to fade. We get discouraged by the number on the scale, we feel like we're not making progress fast enough, or we simply lose motivation because we're not seeing the results we want. The truth is, weight loss can be tough, and it's easy to get caught up in the negative self-talk, the unrealistic expectations, and the countless misinformation that's out there. One of the biggest struggles people face when trying to lose weight is lack of motivation. We set these lofty goals, but we don't know how to make them a reality. And before we know it, we're back to our old habits, feeling guilty and stuck in a cycle of self-doubt. Another major issue is misinformation. We're constantly bombarded with fad diets, quick fixes, and so-called experts telling us what we should or shouldn't eat, and it's hard to know what's real and what's not. And then there's the unrealistic expectations. We want to lose weight fast, we want to see results overnight, and when that doesn't happen, we get frustrated, discouraged, and we give up. All of these struggles can lead to a vicious cycle of negativity, self-doubt, and frustration, and it's no wonder why so many people give up on their weight loss goals. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that way. With the right mindset, the right strategies, and a clear understanding of what works and what doesn't, achieving our weight loss goals is entirely possible. So what does it take to crush our weight loss goals fast in 2025? The first step is to set realistic goals. We need to stop focusing on the number on the scale and start focusing on progress, not perfection. We need to set goals that are achievable, measurable, and attainable. And we need to celebrate our small wins along the way. The second step is to create a balanced diet plan that works for us, not against us. We need to focus on nourishing our bodies, not depriving ourselves of the foods we love. We need to find a diet that's sustainable, enjoyable, and tailored to our unique needs and preferences. Incorporating regular exercise is another crucial step in crushing our weight loss goals. Exercise is not just about burning calories, it's about building confidence, boosting our mood, and increasing our energy levels. We need to find an exercise routine that we love, that we enjoy, and that we can stick to in the long term. And finally, we need to focus on progress, not perfection. We need to stop beating ourselves up over minor setbacks and start celebrating our small wins. I want to share a powerful insight that completely changed my approach to weight loss. I used to think that I needed to make drastic changes to see results, but I realized that small changes can lead to significant results over time. For example, simply increasing my water intake by 1 liter a day led to a significant reduction in my bloating and increase in my energy levels. It's amazing how these small changes can add up over time and lead to significant results. I also want to share a testimonial that really resonated with me. One of my friends was struggling to lose weight, and she realized that she needed to make small changes to her daily habits. She started by taking the stairs instead of the elevator and gradually increased her physical activity over time. She also started meal prepping on Sundays and focused on nourishing her body with healthy, whole foods. The result? She lost over 20 pounds in just a few months, and she feels more confident, energetic, and empowered than ever before. So what's the takeaway from all of this? Crushing our weight loss goals fast in 2025 is not just about the number on the scale. It's about adopting a mindset that's focused on progress, not perfection. It's about setting realistic goals, creating a balanced diet plan, incorporating regular exercise, and celebrating our small wins along the way. Don't forget to comment below with your weight loss goals for 2025. And if you want to learn more tips and strategies for crushing your weight loss goals, be sure to check out my related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.